Hi, I'm Mo Matthew from the Métis Nation of Saskatchewan, Food Security Coordinator, and I'm here today at Ma Faamii on Avenue B in Saskatoon. We're gonna do kind of a stretch on leftovers from Christmas. Today what we're gonna make is turkey dinner tartlets. And so what we're gonna use is leftover turkey, leftover stuffing, leftover potatoes, leftover gravy, and some green peas for good measure. Actually, this recipe comes from my mom and about trying to put everything into one container after Christmas. So this actually has this really neat thing, because the first time it happened, in the casserole dishes that are laying around the house, it was just kind of like scraped off into that, and next thing and the next thing. And when we had it the next day, it was its own beautiful thing, and we got to eat it, and it was just, oh, this is amazing. So the next year we were like, Mom, make sure you keep a little bit extra on that stuff to make that casserole. What we're using today is tartlets, store-bought tartlets. You can buy this small size. There's also a bigger size. There's pie shells, so you can do any of those. We bought the small ones. So as Métis tradition, we're gonna make something out of nothing. And so we're not letting anything go to waste, and we're gonna make it into something new and beautiful and tasty. So with us doing that, we're gonna use everything all at once. And so we're gonna start with turkey, and it's just a little bit of stuff. Remember, we're gonna try to use up everything that we had from turkey dinner. So it's just a little bit in each, and this takes a couple minutes, so bear with me. It's not a lot in each one. It's just a little bit, because we got all these other ingredients going in, right? And it's just one bite. And everybody's had enough turkey during Christmas, so we're giving them something totally different. And this is the opportunity to have, again, if you have any people running around the house that need something to do, Yahtzee doesn't cut it for everybody. So get them helping out making these little tarts, because then everybody can have a job to do, because you see there's a lot of things to put together here. And so more hands makes quick work. And there, our turkey, now a little stuffing in each. And it's just a little bit, it doesn't have to be a ton. In my family, we make all these kind of things, little tarts and little casseroles and stuff, and we deliver it to my children and our friends. The cool thing is, if you give, you get, right? And so the one neighbor that I share with, I give him these and tortillas, and every year I get his pickles that he makes. And so if you can get into a rhythm with your neighbors to trade things off, it makes Christmas a little bit more fun, and you get something out of it. It's so nice. But really, you can give these away to anybody that'll appreciate it. And at Christmas, food's always appreciated. So share if you can. It's harder and harder for people to feel comfortable in the kitchen, to get into the kitchen, to use an hour to make things from scratch. And that's something that we have to do more. Getting people just in the kitchen is a good to great start. Like, when we feel comfortable in the kitchen, then we'll actually be in it, and that's when we're gonna make food from scratch. And that's how you get the good stretch on it. The learning how to hunt or gardening or finding things in the freezer, those are all great things. And trying to do as much as you can for yourself is always a really good thing. We try to get a freezer full of food every summer out of the garden ourselves, and so we're just trying like everybody else. When you introduce people to cooking, to different flavors, to different utilization of food types, it creates interest. And so I love every year that I put out tortillas into the community. It's my French, it's my Métis background. We've been doing it forever. And it's that sharing and community pieces that really come together. And I love that part because they can taste my culture at Christmas and they go, I've never had this before, it's amazing. Or, you know, this is terrible, please don't let me try that again. People don't know how to appreciate good food sometimes. And it's good though when we share our traditions. And so I kind of love that part of it. But in our house, Christmas cookies, all our savory pieces, the tortillas, the meatballs, we do a bunch of different charcuterie items during Christmas, and we share almost everything. And that's part of the culture as well. Métis people really like to share and bring to their neighbors and utilize as much as they can. And I think that's not lost on me. And one last ingredient. So we got turkey, stuffing, peas, potatoes, and now the gravy. And so we're gonna let it spill down the mashed potatoes into the tartlet shells. And if you have gaps where you maybe didn't put enough of all the other ingredients, put a little bit extra gravy on top. Nobody's gonna complain. Gravy's awesome, especially if you make it from scratch. We do ours soon as we cook our turkey. Our gravy starts getting made, and then we have it for that night, and then I have stock and everything else for a week afterwards. Well, you know, that's kind of maybe more hope than real, but we try to get as much stress out of it as possible, that's for sure. So this looks like Christmas dinner in a tart. Hey Corey, how's it going?
Oh, hey Mo, nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming in today and making all of this for us.
Thank you very much. I love coming to Ma Faamii, so I appreciate it. For people that might not know what Ma Faamii is, can you share?
Absolutely, I can. So Ma Faamii is the citizen-facing portion of M&S. We help all of our citizens connect to internal and external programming. So we're basically a no wrong door approach.
Sweet. And during Christmas, all the same?
Yes, actually. So during Christmas, I'm glad that you asked, we're going down to a little bit of a different system. So how you get a hold of us over that Christmas break is you're going to call our 1-877 Métis SK centralized intake line, and one of our support workers will be able to assist you.
I can remember that. Thanks for the day.
Yeah, thank you. Hope to see you again.
Thanks.